You can schedule to have the content you've planned and created to automatically post on your social networks in advance on a specific date and time. You can do all this using an online social media scheduling tool. Now, there are a bunch of different tools available, but the one that we recommend is Buffer. The great news is that Buffer is free to schedule up to 10 posts for each social network. So 10 posts for Facebook, 10 posts for Twitter, 10 posts for Google+, you get the drill. But if you want to schedule more than 10 posts in advance, they have affordable paid plans to choose from to give you this option. So let's go ahead and show you just how easy it is to automate this in Buffer. Once you've created your Buffer account, down the left here is where you can connect all your social networking accounts. You'll see we've connected our Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google+ accounts here already. To give you an overview, the Content tab is where you add the posts you want to schedule to a queue. And the Schedule tab is where you choose the day and time you want to schedule the posts in your queue. First, you're going to set the schedule settings, so click the Schedule tab. Select the days you want to post the content in your queue to your social networking pages. If you're posting once a day, then select each day. Then choose the time you want to post your content. If you're posting more than once a day, you can add multiple posting times. Now let's go and add some content we want to schedule to the queue. Click the Content tab. Upload an image. Then enter the text you'll be adding to the post. You'll want the text to provoke engagement, so you can do this by asking a question or adding a catchy headline that relates to the image. For this image, we'll add the question, what fear is stopping you right now? Once you've done that, choose the social networks you want to post the content on. Just keeping in mind that some social networks like Twitter and LinkedIn have a character limit, so you may want to schedule these posts separately. Once you're happy, click Add to Queue. This adds your post to the queue, and it will be posted on your social networks depending on your schedule settings. You can then repeat this for every post you want to schedule.
So that covers scheduling the content you created, but what about scheduling content you've reshared from other people? If you're using one of Buffer's paid accounts, you can easily connect RSS feeds to your Buffer account. What this means is you'll have access to a stream of other people's content to easily reshare on your own social networking pages. If you're on their free account, which most of you will be, a quick way to schedule reshared content is to use a site called Scoop.it. With Scoop.it, you can enter keywords to get suggestions on content you might like to share. Once you've found something you think your audience will find interesting, simply copy the heading, the intro, and the URL into your content box. Select the image you want to use and add it to the queue. Another option if you use Chrome is to install Buffer's extension to easily share and schedule content from any website you're on. To do this, click My Account and then Browser Extensions. Click Install the Chrome extension and then Add Extension. You'll then see the extension icon appears in your menu bar along the top here. Now, whatever website you're on, if you see some content you want to schedule to post on your social networking pages, just click the buffer icon, make sure all the social networking pages you want to share the content to are selected. If you're sharing to Facebook, add some text to your post to accompany your link, and then click Add to Queue when you're ready. And that's how easy it is to schedule other people's content in advance from any website using Buffer's Chrome extension.